Gracie from Fitness with Gracie, and I'm in the kitchen at Eden Point. Today, I'm going to show you how to make my banana ice cream recipe. This is so delicious, and it's a guilt-free recipe. All you're going to need is about 4 to 5 frozen bananas, and if your bananas are on the larger side, you could probably do about 3.5 to 4. And then we have 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of Carob powder. That's going to replace the cocoa powder. And then we have about 1 cup of coconut milk, and this is the stuff in the can, and it's the light version. And just make sure you give this a good shake before you open the can. So we're going to start off by putting our bananas in the blender. And today I'm using the Vitamix, but you really can use any high-speed blender, such as the Ninja, and you can even use a food processor. So it's whatever you have on hand. And I'm going to just break these up a little bit so it's not so hard on the blades. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and add my peanut butter. And this stuff is great. I love the flavor that it adds to this ice cream. Okay, so just about 2 tablespoons of that. And then we're going to add our maple syrup. And then next we have our Carob powder. And last but not least, our liquid. And it's ready to blend. Alright, so the ice cream is already blended, and that is all you have to do. So now it's time to just serve it up and enjoy it. I'm going to take my lid off and get a little serving dish and pour my ice cream in there. Now this has the texture of soft serve ice cream. And I call this nice cream because it is nice to the animals. No animals were harmed in the making of this dessert. So now it's time to give it a nice taste. Hits the spot. So good. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Thanks so much for watching. And again, I'm Gracie from Fitness with Gracie. And you can get the recipe linked down below in the description box, as well as the website to Eden Point. You're definitely going to want to check this place out, see what different services they have to offer. It's really awesome. All right, thank you guys.